today, dude, man, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. You see me, I'm back with the hood of the Green Goblin, man. And today we are replacing the headlights. Now, I already tried to do this last week when I replaced all of the spark plugs, and the issue came in where I didn't realize that the previous owner has swapped out the headlights to LED lights. I didn't know, and it's a pleasant surprise because my lights are actually brighter than, you know, OEM. But it was a little bit of a downer because I didn't have LED lights to replace just yet. So I went ahead and placed my order on Amazon. It is now the next week and they're here. So we're replacing them. It was a absolute motherfucker to pull this piece off of the back. And how you get to this is this, guys. It's gonna be a very quick tutorial here because we have a little bit more planned for the day, not just replacing the headlights. But this cap right here goes, let me see if you guys can see it, man, because it's difficult to get to without pulling the bumper off. Man, it really is not easy to see. But right down here, let me turn the camera around for you. Right in there is where this cap came off of, okay? And pulling and pushing on this thing with zero leverage, you have to like push down on this part, boom, and then push out to pull it out. But honestly, I would rather it be this difficult than way too easy to open, because this means that no water is getting in, it's watertight, and while I'm driving, that little cap isn't just gonna pop off and mess up my LED lights. By the way, if there's a lot of wind noise, my bad, I'm out here by the water. Some really nice scenery. It's really bright outside, but the wind is just loud. And the company we are using is Auto One HID headlights. These are the D3S conversion. Yes, Dodge Charger has a D3S conversion kit. I'm so glad that it was already equipped with that. That means I don't have to pull off the bumper and install that myself. It's just as easy as plugging in the lights and moving on with my life. The regular Dodge Charger headlight looks like this. You just plug that in, and they do make a bright version of that, a very bright version of that. But if you want a HID high intensity bulb, or if you want an LED bulb, it's gonna come with a different connection. And this is the connection that comes on the back of this DS3. Check it out. Boom. The connection on the back of the DS3 looks like this. Boom. And it was fun to find that out, but I'm glad I got the right light. So let's plug it in and see how bright it is in comparison to the other light that's been on there the whole time. And I'll see if I have to replace both, because the kit comes with two. So click the link down below if you want that.
You spend the night, I let you lay with me, rolling through the sheets. The only time I let you play with me. No playing with your heart, I take you serious.
As you can see, this is where the LED has burned out right there at the tip. It's really oxidized, it's really hot. And now I'm gonna replace it. And before we get started, let me just show you what this kit comes with. You're gonna get 2 gloves so that you don't stain your lights, your light bulbs with the oils on your fingers. And as you guys can see, I touch my hair a lot, touch my face a lot, and I would definitely fuck these up without these gloves. And you also get your lights, 2 of them. And I mean, they are for a very good, very affordable price. So click the link below if you do need a DS3 conversion headlight. These are the ones to go with. Let's see how bright they are.
One-on-one, I take you.
All right, so that took way more elbow grease than I thought it should have. Reaching in there, bro, is no joke. If you don't have the bumper off, there's just no leverage. Damn near cut my fucking hand open trying to tighten down that light. But I finally got it. Hands are all scratched up. I'm gonna press this unlock button and see if these lights just turn on for me better. Yeah. That light shines bright. And so does this one. I need to get to a shadier spot to see if this one's brighter than that one.
My opinion, I didn't say, and I've been shipping them out. Going hard, ain't no such thing as a job. Ate it so good that she caught herself squirting. I think I just let the bitch piss in my mouth. All on my bit on my face. We don't acknowledge the hate.
All right, let's take a look here. See, it's one headlight brighter than the other. Boom. I gotta say, y'all, I'm happy with the results. Let me take a look. Boom. Yeah. Finally seeing that light come on, bro. I haven't seen that light come on in about 3 months. I just been riding around without that motherfucker. I got pulled over for that light, but we are back in business. But check out what I got for the headlights, y'all. You see the Green Goblin? Green Goblin wouldn't be complete without its goggles, right? Now in the movie, the Green Goblin had yellow goggles, but I bought this. Boom. I bought this metallic green tint to put on the headlights. I feel like that shit's gonna pop and go crazy. Now, it may not happen today, but it's gonna happen in this video. So it might not happen right now, but I'm gonna take this tint, I'm gonna put it on these headlights, and at the same time, I'm gonna wrap this right here black, and I'm gonna wrap this up here black. And if I can manage to do it, if I have enough wrap, I'm gonna try to put a strip of green across the top of the front windshield. And that will be the completion of the Green Goblin. Not really though, because I'm still gonna change the rims. I didn't tell y'all yet, but I'm changing the rims. But we gotta get the other aesthetics down first. So anyway, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth. Stay tuned, baby. And for y'all, for me, it's gonna be some hours. For y'all, it's gonna be like 2 seconds. And we're gonna start putting this this tint on the headlights. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What's up, y'all? It's me from the future. It's kind of dark, and I didn't put the tint on the headlights yet. I decided I'm gonna wait on that, but I did change both headlights, and here's the footage of me changing the other headlight. I decided to go ahead and change that headlight because why would I ride around with one brighter than the other, one newer than the other? Just doesn't make sense. So went ahead, put the elbow grease in, cut my damn fingers up, and plug the other one in. Now watch me hook everything back up.
Put my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.